Alright, got a quick review of this small first aid kit by Homestock Plus. As you can see, this has a carabiner attachment so you can easily connect it to your backpack, camping bag, or bug out bag. Here's the list of everything that's inside. And let's get some measurements. It's about a little under 5.5 inches wide and about a little under 4 inches deep and about 2.25 inches thick. Now let's go and take a closer look inside. Alright, we have a gauze bandage roll and work gloves and trauma bandages, and these are sterile gauze pads, and PBT bandage, and then sterile pads and eye pads, and you also have scissors. And then the other side you got tweezers, a CPR mask, an emergency whistle, and antiseptic towelettes. And last but not least, you have no shortage of different sized band-aids for whatever owies you want to patch up. Yeah, there's a lot. Yeah, this medical pack is great for, like I said, backpacks, bug out bags, great for your car if you're going camping, any kind of situation where you want a small med kit ready to go. Definitely get this.